How to create Spotify artist account. In this quick video tutorial, I'm going to simply show you how to create an artist account. So let's dive right into the video. So right here on your device, the first step you need to take is to go to your browser and search for Spotify artist like this. Go ahead and search for Spotify artist, and this is the first option you're going to see once you search for that. So right here, you need to click on the first option right here like this. So the next step you need to take here is to go ahead and click on get access. You can see login right here at the top right corner of the screen, and you can also see where it says get access. So you simply need to go ahead and click on get access like this. So right here you need to select if you're an artist or a manager or a label team member. So here I'm going to go ahead and select artist or manager, then go ahead and click on continue. A code is going to be sent to your Google account, so you need to simply go to your Google account in order to get the code. So after inputting the code like this, you need to simply go ahead and click on log in order to log into your Spotify artist account. So looking right here, you need to go ahead and click on continue. Or looking right here as well, you can see where it says music not yet on Spotify. Are you part of a label team? So if your music is not yet on Spotify, you can go ahead and click on music not yet live on Spotify. So you can easily click on that like this. So once you click on that, in order to tell them that your music is not yet live on Spotify, this is what you're going to see. So looking right here, you can see where it says see our preferred and recommended distributor. You can easily go ahead and click on that like this, and you'll be able to see some of the distributors that are listed here. You can use your DistroKid, you can use CD Baby, you can use Emu Brand, you can actually use United as well, you can use Record Union. So these are some of the distributors you can actually use to upload your music and share it right here. So once you're done uploading your music through any of the distributor right there, you can simply come back right here and click on continue in order to claim an artist profile. But you need to make sure that you've actually uploaded your music through any of the distributors before clicking on continue in order to claim your account. Alright guys, we've come to the very end of this video. Now do to hit the like button. Now you need to make sure you've actually uploaded your music through any of the distributors before clicking on continue in order to claim your profile. Now hit the subscribe button and notification bell as well to get updated whenever I upload helpful videos like this on this channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.